Hi everyone, it's Maestra Julia here to teach you another math game that you can play at home to review your times tables or your multiplication facts. This is a game called Multiplication War, and it's a play on a classic card game called War. In order to play this game, you need a deck of cards. Mine's a pretty silly old one that I got as a present. It's called It's a Boy. And ideally, someone to play against, but you could play against yourself if you don't have anyone to play with at the moment. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna split the deck in half between yourself and whoever you are playing against. So you each start with an even number of cards. Watch how I do this. So first I'm gonna split the cards up evenly between myself and my opponent by passing them out like so. 1, 1. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and so on. Let's jump cut. So now my partner and I each have even numbers of cards. These are my partner's cards and these are mine. Now we're gonna keep our cards face down when we play this game. Now in the game of War, which some of you might be familiar with, you start your turn by counting down from 3. And each of you is going to flip your card over when you get to 0. So 3, 2, 1, 0. And whoever has the larger card wins. In this game, in order to practice our multiplication facts, we are going to turn over 2 cards at a time at the count of 3. So 3, 2, 1, go. Now we're gonna see, instead of who has the larger card, we are gonna pretend that these 2 cards are our factors, and we're gonna multiply them together to find our product. Let's see what I got. I got a 7 and a 6. 7 times 6 is 42. So that's what I got for my turn, 42. Now let's see what my partner got. Well, my partner got 2 J's, which means jacks. And in this game, we're gonna play that all face cards are worth 10. So if they got 2 jacks, that's the same as having 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100. So again, I got 42, my partner got 100. Who got the bigger product? You'd be right if you guessed my partner. 100 is larger than 42. So whoever wins this round gets to grab all the cards, doesn't matter what order they're in, stack them up, and put them at the bottom of their pile. Now we play another round. So again, I'm gonna grab 2 cards. My partner is gonna grab 2 cards. We keep them face down and we count 3, 2, 1, go. So let's see, I got a 6 and a 6. 6 times 6 is 36. My partner again got 2 10s, oh my gosh. 10 times 10 is 100. So 100 versus 36, who got the bigger product? My partner. 100 is greater than 36. So again, they take this round, they grab all the cards and put them under. Now, something that's exciting that happens in the game of Multiplication War is sometimes when you flip your cards over, you might end up each having the same number. It's a tie. Let's look at what we got here. So my partner got 2 and 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. So they have 12. Meanwhile, I got 3 and 4, and 3 times 4 is also 12. So what do if we're tied? Who wins this round? When this happens in the game, we say war, and then each of us is going to put down 3 extra cards. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna keep these face down. 1, 2, 3. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna play a second deciding round. So I'm gonna grab my 2 cards. My partner's gonna grab theirs, and we're doing a second turn. Ready? Let's see what they got. My partner got 9 times 9, which is 81. And I got 5 times 4, oh no, which is 20. So who wins this round? My partner got 81. I got 5 times 4, which is 20. Shoot, so they win. But watch this. They not only win these cards and the ones underneath, but then we get to reveal, oh my gosh, what else did they win? They get to keep all of these cards. They had a 9, a 9, and a 10. Wow, those are good cards. Those are really high. And what did I have that they get to take now? I got a 4, 4, and a 5. So they get to take all of these cards. Wow, they really cleaned my clock that round. They're gonna stack them up and put them at the bottom of their deck. Again, we're going to play this game back and forth for as many rounds as we have time for, or until someone wins all the cards and wins the entire game. One thing to note is that when you're playing with playing cards like this, some of the cards do not have numbers on them. So here are some examples of that. I have in a deck a jack, a queen, a king, and an ace. Now, you can choose to play this game a little bit more easily by calling all three of these face cards, the jack, queen, and king. You can count them all as 10, and that'll keep it super simple. You could also count the ace as being either 1 or 11 if you want it to be a little bit more challenging. And finally, another way that you could even make it more challenging would be to count the jack as a 10, the queen as an 11, and the king as 12. It's up to you how you want to tweak this game and personalize it so that it's right at your level. I hope you all have fun playing this game and that it helps you learn your multiplication tables. Bye.